What if all insects suddenly disappeared? Imagine waking up one morning to a strange silence. No buzzing flies, no mosquitoes whining near your ear, no bees hovering around flowers, not a single ant invading your picnic. Poof, gone. Every insect on Earth has vanished without a trace. At first, it sounds like a dream come true. No more bites, no more itches, no more cockroaches scuttling across your kitchen floor at 2 a.m. You take your coffee outside, breathe in the fresh air, and smile as you realize this is paradise. Except it's not. Within days, small but strange things start happening. Your trash can start to smell worse than usual, and it's not just because you forgot to take it out. Dead leaves pile up. Fallen animals don't seem to decompose as fast. There's a weird stillness in parks and forests. The ecosystem has paused, and not in a good way. You see, insects are more than just annoying background noise. They're the workers of the natural world. Many are decomposers, breaking down waste, dead plants, and animals. Without them, nature's cleanup crew is gone. Rotting matter starts piling up. Scavengers like rats and seagulls move in to fill the gap. But they're nowhere near as efficient. Cities begin to stink. Rural areas start to rot. Then the real trouble begins. Without insects, over 80% of plant species lose their pollinators. Bees are the poster bugs, sure, but they're not alone. Flies, beetles, butterflies, even ants play a role. Crops start failing. Apple trees stop blooming. Almond orchards wither. Cocoa plants stall. That's right, no chocolate. Farmers panic. Prices soar. Supermarkets look emptier every week. And it's not just fruits and vegetables. Livestock suffer too. Cattle depend on plants that rely on insect pollination. Fewer plants means less feed. Less feed means less meat and milk. The food web starts to fray, and it's only getting worse. Birds, reptiles, amphibians, and small mammals who depend on insects for food begin to starve. Swallows vanish from the skies. Frogs fall silent at night. Whole food chains collapse like dominoes. Forests grow eerily quiet. Entire ecosystems begin to unravel. Humans try to adapt. We build pollination drones, tiny buzzing robots meant to replace bees. We develop lab-grown crops and genetically modified plants that don't need insects. But none of it can keep up. Farming becomes slower, harder, more expensive. Only the wealthiest countries manage to grow enough food. The rest face famine. We underestimated them. We mocked them. We sprayed them with chemicals and flicked them off our skin. But insects were never just bugs. They were engineers, gardeners, recyclers, chefs. Without them, the planet loses its balance. And then the diseases come. Many insects prey on other pests. Mosquitoes on mosquitoes, beetles on crop-eating larvae, wasps on caterpillars. In their absence, parasitic outbreaks explode. Fungi, bacteria, and mold spread unchecked. Pests once kept in balance run wild. Years pass. The world looks different now. Global biodiversity has taken a massive hit. Forests struggle to regrow. Farms are smaller, less productive. The air is quieter. But it's the silence of absence, not peace. People grow food in labs, but the taste is never the same. We light candles in memory of the honeybee, not just for its sweetness, but for all it held together. So, what if all insects disappeared? At first it would seem like a blessing, but by the end, we'd realize it was a slow-motion apocalypse wearing a very quiet disguise.